Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing 2 saves and positioning yourself at a crafting bench. This gives you a safe rollback if anything goes wrong. Make sure you have the titanium item in your inventory and that the bench has room for created items. Once done, open the bench menu, navigate to the recipe that uses titanium, then pause and quick save. This setup allows you to trigger a duplication loop by exploiting save/load timing. Follow the next steps with steady pacing and exact inputs. You now perform the timing sequence. Start crafting the titanium-consuming recipe, then immediately load your backup save before the animation completes. By doing this, the game can retain the crafted item while restoring the original inventory, effectively duplicating titanium. Once you repeat the cycle 3 to 5 times and confirm success, increase how many items you craft per loop to scale faster. Make sure to pause briefly between actions. Consistent timing prevents dropped items or failed dupes. You finish by consolidating all duplicated titanium into a dedicated chest or settlement storage, then create a fresh backup save to preserve your gains. If duplicated items vanish, immediately stop and recreate the backup save, then redo the loop more slowly to correct timing errors. Make sure to keep exploits offline and do not attempt this during multiplayer or while earning achievements, since inconsistencies can corrupt data. Finally, periodically test a small batch first, then scale up once you confirm the process is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.